words fail me as far as um, how much movement I feel being intimate with people. I feel like the group has been a magnification of what it's like to really show up for people without any kind of agenda other than being as they are. And I am altered. I mean, right to my atoms, I am altered for what each of you has brought.
Yeah, the material is just phenomenal, and the support is phenomenal.
I feel really, really transformed. I feel like I've let myself be more than I have for years. I feel like I'm letting myself come home now.
I've never been in the environment like this. Very supportive environment, very open, very professional.
Two very sincere and deeply involved teachers.
I am so grateful for just this group dynamic. I love it. I feel like I have this resource for love and support and wisdom that I did not have when I entered into this course.
I'm just filled with immense gratitude.
It's life-changing, this course.
There aren't really appropriate words to say how meaningful the work that you've done and are doing and the gifts you're bringing to this world are.
Such a remarkable program in a space by its own.
I can only express gratitude and tell you I love you, thank you, I honor you.
This course has blown my mind, heart, and soul in so many ways, in so many levels and layers. These types of connections, this depth of connection is rare and far between, and super grateful for it.